Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel sessions, and today we will learn 11 statistical functions. We already explained statistical function count, CountA, CountBlank, CountIf and Countifs in this video. The path of the video is in description section. Watch the video to learn about these 5 most important functions in Excel. Average function is used to get the mean or average of the given numbers. In the example sheet, maximum and minimum temperature of different month is given in column B and C. To show average of maximum temperature in cell G1, type equals to average, open bracket, select the data range from B2 to B13, closing bracket and press enter. So the average temperature of an year is 25.9. Average A function is also used to get the mean or average of given numbers. The difference is that average function consider only numbers and ignores text or boolean type data, whereas average A function consider text or boolean type data as zero and include in the calculation. To understand the difference between average and average A function, we have created a example data showing temperature of the different months. To use average function, again we use average, open bracket, select the range from B2 to B13, closing bracket and press enter. And to use average A function, type equals to average A, open bracket, select the range B2 to B13, closing bracket and press enter. The syntax of using average and average A function is same. Because the data contains only the numbers, the average and average A function showing same result. But if data includes text or boolean, then average function ignores these value and does not consider in calculation. There are total 12 values. While calculating average, average will consider only 10 values, whereas average A function will consider all the 12 values by replacing B8 and B11 to 0. Average if function is used to get the average of numbers which met the given condition. Average if function takes three parameters. In first parameter, we select the range which is associated with the condition or criteria. In second parameter, we specify the condition, and in third parameter, we specify the range of which you need average. In the example sheet, products, day and quantity sold is in column A, B and C. To get the average of quantity sold on Monday, we will use average if function as there is only one condition that day must be Monday. To use average if, type equals to average if, open bracket. The first parameter is the range which is associated with the condition. So my condition is day must be Monday. So select B2 to B16, comma, the condition is Monday. So type Monday in double quotes, comma. Third parameter is the range of which we need average. So we need average of quantity sold. So select range from C2 to C16, closing bracket and press enter. The result is showing the average of quantity sold where day is Monday. Averageifs function is used to get the mean or average of given range of numbers which met the given multiple conditions. Remember, if we have only one condition, we will use average if function, and if we have multiple conditions, we will use average ifs function. Average ifs function takes more than three parameters based on number of conditions we have. The first parameter is the range of which you need the average, and in further parameters we have to specify the criteria range and corresponding criteria separated by comma. So in our example, we have to find the average of quantity sold where day must be Monday and product is shampoo. So we have two conditions. We will use average ifs formula. To use average ifs, type equals to average ifs, open bracket, the first parameter is the range of which we have to calculate the average. So select range C2 to C16, comma, the first criteria is day should be Monday. So select the criteria range from B2 to B16, comma, type Monday in double quotes, comma, select the second criteria range which is for product. So select A2 to A16, comma, the condition is shampoo. So type shampoo in double quotes. Closing bracket and press enter. So the result is the average of quantity sold where day is Monday and product is shampoo. That means both condition must match. So there is only one row where product is shampoo and day is Monday. Max function is used to get the maximum number in the selected range, and minimum function is used to get the minimum number in the selected range. Both function takes only one parameter. To use max function, type equals to max open bracket, select the range from B2 to B13 in which we have to identify the maximum temperature, closing bracket and press enter. The result is 40, which is the maximum temperature in the selected range. Similarly, to find the minimum temperature, type equals to min open bracket, select the range from C2 to C13, closing bracket and press enter. Result is -5, which is the minimum number in the selected range. Large function is used to find the nth largest number in the given range, means to find the second or third or nth largest number in the given range, we will use large function. Large function takes two parameter. In first parameter, we specify the range, and in second parameter, we specify the nth number to find. To find the third largest number, type equals to large, open bracket, select the range from B2 to B13, comma, to find the third largest number, we'll specify 3, closing bracket and press enter. Now in the given range, the 32 is the third largest number. If we sort the number, then we can find third largest number is 32. Similarly, small function is used to find the nth smallest number. Now in example, to find the fifth smallest number, type equals to small, open bracket, select the range from C2 to C13, comma, to find the fifth smallest number, type 5, closing bracket and press enter. 0 is the fifth smallest number. If we sort the minimum temperature, then we can see that fifth smallest number is 0. Median function is used to find the middle of a given range of a number. It takes only one parameter where we specify the data range. To use median function, type equals to median, open bracket, select the range from B2 to B13, closing bracket and press enter. Result is 30. It means 30 is the middle of the selected data range. If we arrange the number in ascending or descending order, then in case of the even number, the average of two middle numbers will be median. In our case, we have total 12 numbers. So average of the sixth and seventh number will be median. Both sixth and seventh number is 30, hence the median is 30. In case of odd numbers, middle numbers will be median. So if I add a line item in the list, and if we change the range from B2 to B14, the range will again be 30, because now we have odd number of data. We have 13 line items, and if we sort the data, then the middle number is 30. Mod function is used to find the most frequent number in the given set of numbers. It means the number which occurs highest number of times. Mod function takes only one parameter where we specify the data range. To use mod function, type equals to mod, open bracket, select range from B2 to B13, closing bracket and press enter. Result is 30 as 30 occurs maximum number of times in the list. Standard deviation is the number used to indicate how far the numbers are from average of the given range. To understand the standard deviation, we have data in column J. J12 is showing the average of the numbers using average formula. Standard deviation function takes only one parameter where we specify the data range. To calculate the standard deviation, type equals to standard dev, open bracket, select the range, closing bracket and press enter. The standard deviation is very low because the numbers are very close. If the numbers are more close to mean, then the standard deviation will reduce. So if I am changing all to 1, we can see that the standard deviation is decreasing. Now, if we increase the number, that means the numbers are moving away from the average 25, then the standard deviation will start increasing. I have added a sheet to practice the statistical functions. Download the sheet from the path available in the description section. In this video, we have learned how to use statistical function in Excel. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Share your feedback, comments and queries in comment section. Thank you.